Hello there everybody, Dingo Crush here, and today I'm going to be doing a little showcase of what I've been studying at university. So technically, since I'm studying game design, and we've learned how to create a 2D character, a 3D character, sorry, and we've actually modeled Link from Legend of Zelda, which is a very interesting thing. Now, right now we're actually creating a 2D game in Unity Engine, and we've studied programming, we've studied how to work with sprites, how to animate sprites and stuff like that, or just animate some few other things, which is a very interesting thing. So I'll be doing a little showcase. So as you can see in Unity, that's very simple. The way you work in here needs to be, of course, organized and stuff like that. I'm gonna hit the play button. So we have to pretty much program every little thing in the game. In order for the game to work, you have to program movements, you have to program buttons, you have to program pretty much the UI and everything. So this is the main menu for this game. First of all, this is just my very first game that I'm creating, so we are allowed to use stuff from the internet. Eventually we'll have to create our own original thing. Alright, so I've created the main menu UI, so it has new game, load game, options, and exit. The only buttons I've programmed are the new game, load game, and exit. Options that we still have no use for it, I guess, for the first project, but possibly in the future we will have to actually program the options button. I might take it away, but I don't know, I like that it's there, so even if I click on it, the clicking animation plays, but nothing happens. So if I click on the exit button, obviously since it's on the console, the game would say like that it has quit, since there is something called debug log that prints pretty much what the thing is doing and if it's actually working well. The load game, I created different type of slots for the load game. As you can see, they're still not programmed. The save button is still not programmed as well, and here is the new game. And I know this is a very cheap material, very cheap material, but I had the first thing that came up to mind whenever I did this. So yeah, well, I'll have a lot to work on. We'll have to create a full level with obstacles and stuff like that. So on this level I also have to kinda work on a little bit more. So yeah, that's kind of that's a lot of stuff that you have to do. And I've also created a pause menu. Everything works here besides options and save game, since, like, you know, the exit button is working. If you want to resume the game by pressing escape, it goes back. Resume, like if you click with the mouse, it goes back. We want to go back to the main menu, and it takes us back to the main menu. It looks very simplistic. It looks very simplistic, but the process, if you don't know, if it's your first time that you're actually programming a game, this is fucking tough as hell. And I'm telling you right now, this is like the toughest shit I've ever done in my life. Like, programming is really not my thing, but it's quite interesting to see how things work. You try to figure out things, you try to understand things, and you try to understand the functions of how things work and stuff like that, and it's pretty interesting. Very interesting. And I am actually planning to create my own 2D game, and I've actually tried to come up with some concept art I may make a little update video on that. I might try to even open up a Patreon so people will help support the project and stuff like that, but still not anything's confirmed yet, since I will have to kind of hire people to work on the art, you know, to work on the sound. Like, you need to actually create a full team of people in order to, I mean, not too many people. I mean, if there are people, if you have like 3 or 4 people, that's enough in order to develop a game, really. Like, you don't need an entire building of people in order to create a game. But also, the more knowledge you have in Unity, the better it is for you to actually create the video game faster. So I would like to know what you guys think about this. This is pretty much what I've been up to. I've been very busy with my university and creating this project, and even though the people in my class created things that are far more amazing than I did, but for a first time, like, this is a good a good start. And yeah, pretty much I would like to hear what you guys think, and I want to know if any of you actually have ever tried to create a game in Unity, and if you know any bit of programming or anything like that, or art style or anything like that. I'd be pretty interested to know. So I might actually showcase to you guys. Let me go real quick to my okay, like, I will go to my link project. Like, I will show you that I've been working on 3ds Max. I've been working, this was my very first project. We've created in the beginning of the course, we've created objects and stuff like that. We did optimization and other stuff, and we've created pretty much Link from Legend of Zelda. So this is my model of Link. As you can see, it has all of these you know, vertices and stuff like that, and you know, all these polygons and such. And if I press F4, it will be a lot more clear to you guys. So yeah, this is pretty much the model I have modeled of Link, and I know that on the terms of the face area, I will still have to work on the around the mouth area, but you can clearly know that, like, it's Link and stuff like that. Now, the models that we're gonna be trying to do are not gonna look like something, not gonna look way too realistic. We're not gonna aim for something too realistic. That's not what the intention is for. We're gonna create something like Overwatch type of texture, like type of models, and I will show you guys a little other model that I've been trying to work on myself besides school project, which should have been done by now, but I've been I was with the hiatus and everything. I was like, I need to focus on specific things and stuff like that. So here is the Crash Bandicoot model that I am actually modeling. This is a very early design of Crash Bandicoot, and it's gonna take me a while to get it all polished and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much the design I will be using in order to create this model. Whoa, shit. It went to crap. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of my projects that I've been making, and I want to see if you guys have any projects in mind or anything that you've studied. Let me know, like, link stuff in the comment section or tell me about it. Like, I would really love to know. So thanks for watching, guys, and I might actually live stream on the 27th the Insane Trilogy. Might. Not too sure, but might. Depending if I will have some free time. Obviously, I'm not gonna do it for hours, because I need to rest and stuff, so... Yep. Thanks for watching, guys, and I shall see you in maybe in the next video. Bye-bye.